1 plus 1 which equals to 2. Then here 6 times 2 which equals 12. Then 12 divided by 12 is just equals to 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay. In this expression, there is one division here, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Okay. Inside the parenthesis, there is an addition. According to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis. Next this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or this division, it is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first parenthesis 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then 12 divided by 6 times 2. So here there is one division and one multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right according to Pemdas. Therefore, this division has a higher priority than this multiplication. Okay, from left to right. Therefore, 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Then 2 times 2, which equals to 4. Okay, this is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore, the final answer of this problem equals to 4.